Welcome back and thank you for staying with us here on Republic. This is a story that India must know more about. This is the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, who, remember, for the longest time has been pandering to those who've only been waging a war against the country. Not just that, she also goes on to insult martyrs, to insult our forces. In fact, we put out that entire video and that sequence also that we have for you, because earlier she visited the SMHS hospital to see the condition of a Pulwama youth who's been allegedly brutalized by the army, but she ends up insulting those who killed Sameer Tiger. Listen in to this reaction.
सिर्फ इसका नाम है शादी मर्ग कैंप में इसको बुला के लेके गए। इसका फादर की ऑलरेडी मिलिटेंटों ने उसको मार दिया है कई साल पहले। इसका भाई आर्मी में है और जुलाई से लापता है और मेजर शुक्ला ने इसको आर्मी कैंप में बुला के ले गए, जैसे कि बता रहा था। वहाँ आपने देखा इसकी इतनी पिटाई हुई है और इसको ये कहा गया है कि आप गले में बंदूक डाल दो और हम आपकी फ़ोटो लेना चाहते हैं। अगर आप बंदूक नहीं डालेंगे तो मैं अपनी बंदूक डाल के आपका एनकाउंटर कर दूंगा। तो मेरा ये मानना है कि ये मेजर शुक्ला के बारे में ये बताया जाता है कि वो बहुत ही बहादुर सिपाही है। तो ये कैसा सिपाही है जो इतना ऐसा है कि अपने ही बच्चों को, हमारे यहाँ जम्मू कश्मीर के रहने वाले लड़कों के साथ इतनी ज़्यादा ज़्यादती और जुल्म करके उसको तो बहादुरी नहीं कहते हैं। इस तरह बुला के लेना कैंप पे और उसकी तरह इतनी मारपीट करना कि ये बच्चा ज़ख्मी होकर अस्पताल पहुँच गए। इसका भाई भी लापता है, पिछले कई महीने से उसका भी कोई अता पता नहीं है। तो मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि गवर्नर साहब इसका नोटिस लेंगे, जो आर्मी के चीफ है इसका, यहाँ जो कोर कमांडर साहब है इसका नोटिस लेंगे और ये जो अजय शुक्ला मेजर है उनसे पूछताछ हो कि भाई आपने इस बच्चे के साथ इतना जुल्म क्यों किया, इसकी इतनी पिटाई क्यों की।
हुआ क्या आप आर्मी चीफ से इसके बारे में एक्शन चाहते हैं?
बिल्कुल, मैं कोर कमांडर साहब से बात करूंगी यहाँ से जाने के बाद कि भाई ये जो मेजर शुक्ला है उनसे जवाबदेही होनी चाहिए कि उन्होंने किस तरह इस लड़के को इस तरह पकड़ के आर्मी कैंप में लेके और इसकी इतनी पिटाई की है कि ये मरने के तक पहुँचा हुआ है।
And our colleague Zeenat is also joining us on the phone line for a quick reaction to that. You know, Zeenat, at first I thought that this perhaps was a part of a fake news, but it's not. The point is that you have a former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir who goes on to the extent of not just, I think, vilify those who fight for the nation, who fight against the enemy, but she's actually telling us what is she more concerned about, Zeenat?
Absolutely, we are seeing the Mehbooba Mufti going all out, meeting the families of the militants as well as now another development is coming when the brother of a person who was working with the army and his father was neutralized early during the militancy time. She visited the hospital here at the SMHS hospital in order to get the actual feed from the hospital sources. And as per the Mehbooba, he is going through some severe injuries, and now she has also challenged the army as well as people in the forces that how they are treating the locals from the area. As per the PDP, he has received some injury marks and is suffering a lot, for which she has also appealed governor and also the AK 15 Corps commander AK, but to look into the incident, how the army is treating. But she is referring to the same major who neutralized Sameer Tiger last year in an operation in Pulwama. So giving a directly asking that the action should be taken against the concerned army major who is getting involved.
Zeenat, we leave it there. We leave it there. But I think that's an important reaction that the entire country today should listen into and realize how easy it is for netas to cross that line. For the moment, thank you.